Alright guys, truck's been running out for about 5-7 minutes here in the garage. Oil pressure is pretty stable. Idle gets strange when you if you get on the throttle just a little bit and let off, it starts to bog down, and there's a lot of vibration in the cab. Alright, temperature's up to normal. I'm gonna give it a little throttle, kind of let you listen from the inside of the cab, and see what happens here. It's going a little, RPMs are dropping a little too low right now. Oil pressure, right around 38 to 40 pounds, comes up to about 65 at highway speeds. I'm gonna go ahead and let you listen into the engine real quick. Excuse my messy, sloppy garage. No obvious smoke now. Feeling light smoke in the room. I think most of it's pretty well cooked off. I think it was just paint and a little bit of oil residue on the outside of the car. That's outside of the truck engine. Alright. Brought it up close for a second to see if you heard anything odd. Going around the back to the exhaust side. Yes, it's still stock exhaust completely. Still muffler, same headers, same manifold, same everything. Anyhow, let's do a quick walk around. Needs to get tuned and need to work on her brakes, but she might have a life back in her again. All right, talk to you all soon.